In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from the OKX app to Binance. Before we dive in, ensure you have your login details ready for both platforms. Let's start by opening Binance in your browser and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate toward the Wallet option, commonly located in the top menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Spot. This brings you to your Spot wallet, where your cryptocurrency is stored. Next, look for the Deposit button and give it a click. This action will open a new window where you can choose which crypto you want to deposit. It's crucial to understand that selecting the correct cryptocurrency is essential because sending crypto to an incorrect wallet can result in the loss of funds. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, the next task is to choose the network. This is a pivotal step. The network choice must align with the network on OKX from which you are withdrawing. Not having the networks match can lead to errors or loss. You'll see a deposit address generated by Binance once the network is selected. Carefully copy this address because you'll use it to direct your crypto from OKX. Now, let's shift our focus to OKX. Open OKX in your browser and log into your account. After logging in, head over to the Assets section and click on Withdraw. This navigates you to a page where you can initiate the transfer. In this section, select the same cryptocurrency you chose on Binance. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the designated field. Double-check to ensure that the network selected on OKX mirrors the one chosen on Binance, as any mismatch can affect the transaction. Once you've confirmed these details, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. After inputting the amount, click on Submit or Withdraw to proceed to the next step. At this stage, OKX will require you to complete a security verification. This could involve receiving a code via email, SMS, or using the Google Authenticator app. These steps are integral to ensuring the security of your funds. Follow the prompts to verify your identity securely. After completing the security checks, you'll need to be a bit patient. The transaction will take some time to process and confirm. You can monitor the status initially in OKX to see its progress, and once completed, check your Binance wallet to ensure the crypto has been successfully transferred. And that's it. You've successfully moved your crypto from OKX to Binance. Always remember to double-check addresses and networks to ensure seamless transfers. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to check the help sections of OKX or Binance, as they offer comprehensive guides and support. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!